Fish sauce has long been the soul of Vietnamese culinary culture. Whether it's state holiday or ordinary everyday meal, there's always a fish sauce dish as a side dish in every meal. Fish sauce is always a great way to preserve food. Today I will share with you a few recipes that we use fish sauce to pickle vegetables. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
First recipe is the southwestern Vietnamese style of pickled cucumber in fish sauce. You will need 1 kilogram of cucumber, 150 grams sugar, 100 ml of fish sauce, and 80 grams of salt, 2 heads of garlic and chilies. Cut the cucumber lengthwise in half, remove the seeds, and thinly slice. Toss with salt and leave to sit for 30 minutes. Sprinkle 2 tablespoons of sugar over the base of the saucepan. Cook over medium heat until the sugar melts and gets caramelized. Turn off the heat, add the remaining fish sauce and sugar. Turn on the heat again and bring to a boil. When the sugar is completely dissolved, turn off the heat. After 30 minutes, rinse the cucumber a few times and squeeze out the excess water. You can sun dry for about 2 to 3 hours to make them more crunchy. Combine the cucumber with the fish sauce and some crushed garlic and chilies. Mix well and store in a ceramic pot for about 2 to 3 days at room temperature. After 2 to 3 days, the cucumber slices will turn somewhat translucent, but still maintain its beautiful crunch. Just serve it with a bowl of hot steamed rice. It's good enough. Second recipe is from Central Vietnam. It's pickled vegetables in anchovy sauce, with very intensive and exotic flavors, but for people like me, it's a taste of home. Ingredients you will need: green papaya, Armenian cucumber, baby eggplant, anchovy sauce, and sugar. Deseed and cut the green papaya and Armenian cucumber into bite-sized pieces. Soak in salted water to prevent darkening and sun dry for about 4 to 5 hours to make them more crunchy. For the baby eggplant, just remove the stem, cut in half or quarters. In a mortar and pestle, crush the garlic and chilies finely. Now combine all the vegetables in a bowl, add sugar and crushed garlic and chilies. Toss well, then add the anchovy sauce. After 2 to 3 days, the vegetables will absorb the amazing flavors from the anchovy sauce. Still very crunchy and goes great with rice. Another popular recipe, very popular among Vietnamese teens, is pickled umbrella and green mango in fish sauce. You will need baby umbrellas, green mango, sugar, fish sauce, and chili flakes. Peel and cut the green mangoes into bite-sized sticks. Peel the baby umbrellas and cut in half or quarters. Soak them in salted water for about 15 minutes. Now in a saucepan, combine 300 grams sugar with 600 ml water. Bring to a boil so the sugar is completely dissolved. Then take off heat and leave to cool. Then add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce and a teaspoon of chili flakes. Arrange the green mangoes and umbrella into a glass jar and fill the jar with the brine. After 2 to 3 days, it's ready to snack on. It's spicy, sweet and sour, so crunchy, and that umami flavor from the fish sauce makes these snacks really salivating. One more snack with green mango and fish sauce that I'm totally love, and I'm sure you're gonna fall in love with it too. You will need green mango, 2 cups sugar, 1 cup fish sauce, chili flakes and fresh chilies. Combine the fish sauce and sugar in a saucepan. Stir well and bring to a boil to dissolve the sugar completely. Peel and very thinly slice the green mango with a vegetable peeler. Combine the green mango with the fish sauce. Add some beef jerky crumbles and chilies. If you haven't tried this, you totally should. It's gonna change your life. I wish you success with all these sweet and sour, savory pickles, vegetables in fish sauce recipes. Don't forget to click like and share this video with your friends. I will see you there next time. Bye!